Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard with an image on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now choose System, then Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Over here, click on Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust background darkness or brightness by swiping left or right. Then choose Done, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off, and finally choose Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!